Singapore Contemporary Foreign and Economic Policies. Singapore foreign policies focuses on maintaining good relations with all countries while protecting its national interests. As a small nation, it promotes neutrality, democracy, and international cooperation. It is an active member of Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, and support multilateralism through organizations like the United Nations (UN). Singapore also strengthened ties with major powers such as United States, China, and European Union, ensuring a balance in global relations to safeguard its security and economic policies. Singapore economic policies is centered on free trade, innovation, and attracting foreign investment. The government supports an open and competitive market economy, encouraging global companies to invest and operate in the country. Through initiatives like Smart Nation and Industry 4.0, Singapore promotes technology research and digital transformation. It has multiple free trade agreements (FTAs) with various countries, helping maintain its position as a global financial and business hub in Asia. Singapore policies promote peaceful international relations and regional stability, while its economic policy focuses on sustained growth through trade, openness, innovation, and global competitive.